Good morning. See, in our previous session we solved two problems on the gravity model. Okay, let us take another problem with the same formula. By using the same formula we are going to distribute the trips, but it will be of different kind. Okay, take down the problem. Okay, take down the problem. The number of trips produced in and attracted to the three zones 1, 2 and 3 are as follows. Below that you take down zone, continue that row 1, 2, 3. Zone 1, okay, take down as here. Okay, zone 1, 2, 3, lastly total. Below this zone you take down, trips produced in capital, okay, in bracket you take down capital PI. Trips produced in bracket capital PI. Okay, corresponding to 1 it is 14, 14. Corresponding to 2 it is 33. Corresponding to 3 it is 28. Under the total you take down 75. Okay, if you add this row you will get 75. Okay, next below zone. Okay, zone, trips produced. Next trips attracted. In bracket you take down capital AJ. Trips attracted AJ. Okay, for zone 1 it is 33. For zone 2 it is 28. For zone 3 it is 14, 14. Lastly total 75. Okay, take down in next line. As a result of calibration, the friction factors to be associated with the impedance values between the various zones have been found to be as follow. Okay, below that you take down first column impedance units 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, under the impedance unit in column wise you take down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second column friction factor. Corresponding to 1, 82. Next 52, 50, 41, 39, 26, 20, 13. Corresponding to 8 it is 13, 1, 3. Next line. The impedance values between the various zones can be taken from the following matrix. Okay, I am going to write here only that matrix. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Between 1 to 1 it is 8, 1, 4, 3, 6, 5. 3, 6, 5, 2, 7, 4. 2, 7. Okay. Copy down this matrix. Okay, take down this matrix. Next, Next, below this, distribute the trips between the various zones. Distribute the trips between the various zones. Distribute the trips between the various zones. Okay, let us solve the problem. See, in this case, they are given friction factor. Okay, so we are going to use this equation. Okay, and they have not mentioned anything about the zone to zone adjustment factor, means about the socio-economic factor about that zones. Okay, let us leave this. Okay, it is not given, no need to worry. Okay, if it is not given, you assume it as 1, so we can leave this k. Okay, let us distribute the trips between the zones. Okay, first T1 to 1, T1 to 1. Okay, same equation we are going to use. The trips produced in zone 1, that is P1. The trips are attracting to zone 1, 1 to 1. Okay, so it is A1 into Fi to j. It is given 1 to 1. It is 8. Okay, corresponding to 8. What is the friction factor? Okay, we have to observe the impedance units. Okay, impedance units are given. Okay, impedance units. It is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Friction factor corresponding to this 82, 52, 50, corresponding to 4, it is 41, 39, 26, 20, 13. These are the friction factors for this impedance units. Okay, 1 to 1, the impedance unit is 8. Corresponding to 8, the friction factor is 13. Okay, F1 to 1. Next I will apply the value. Okay, the friction factor between 1 to 1 divided by the sum of the product of trips attracted. Okay, trips attracted between each zone should be multiplied with the travel time factor, means that is the friction factor. Okay, A1 into F1 to 1 plus A2 into F1 to 2 plus A3 into F1 to 3. Let us substitute the values. The trips between 1 to 1. Okay, 1 to 1. The trips produced in zone 1, it is given, that is 14, 1, 4, 14. The trips attracted to zone 1, it is given 33. The friction factor, okay, to take the friction factor we have to use this OD matrix. The trips, see the impedance value, you have to take the impedance unit, okay, by using this OD matrix. Okay, 1 to 1, it is 8. Corresponding to 8 we have a 13, that should be entered here, 13 divided by A1, we know the A1, that is 33. F1 to 1, we know the impedance unit 8, corresponding to 8 we have 13 plus A2, it is 28, okay, 28 into F1 to 2, 1 to 2, it is 1, corresponding to 1 we have friction factor, that is 82 plus A3, that is 14, 1, 4 into F1 to 3, F1 to 3 means 1 to 3 we have 4, corresponding to 4 we have, the friction factor is 41. Okay, please check it how much you will get. Next, 1 to 2, similarly we have to distribute the trips between 1 to 2. Okay, the trips produced in zone 1 we know that is 14 and attracted to zone 2 it is 21. 8. Okay. 2 to 1. We know it is 3. Sorry. Okay. It is 1 to 2. Sorry, 1 to 2. 1. We know it is 82. Okay. 1 to 2. It will remain same. 33 into 13 plus 28 into 82 plus 14 into 41. The denominator remains same for all the 3 zones which are generated from zone 1. Next, 1 to 3. We know the trips produced in zone 1, it is 14. The trips attracted to zone 3, it is 14. And friction factor, we know it is 41. 1 to 3, it is 4. Corresponding to 4, we have a 41. Okay. Denominator 33 into 13 plus 28 into 82 plus 14 into 41. Similarly, we have to distribute the trips between T 2 to 1, T2 to T 2 to 3. Similarly, 3 to 1, 3 to 2, 3 to 3. Okay. I think you have taken down this. Please calculate these values. Okay. How much you will get? Okay, you will get 1.82, 9.74, 9.74, we get 2.44, 2.44. Okay, I will rub this. Next, I will distribute the trips between T 2 to 1. See the trips produced in zone 2, that is 33, and it is attracted to zone 1, it is 33. Now I want the friction factor. For that I have to use this OD matrix. By that I will find the impedance factor. Okay, 2 to 1, 3. For 3 we have, it is 50. 50. Now 33 into 50. Okay, A1. Okay, sorry, now it will be A1 33 into 50 plus 28 into 2 to 2, it is 6. For 6 we will get 26 plus for 14, 2 to 3, 5. For 5 we will get 39. The friction factor will get 39. See how much you will get. Similarly for T 2 to 2, okay, 33 into 28 into, okay, 2 to 2, okay, for 6 we will get 26 divided by 33 into 50 plus 28 into 26 plus 14 into 39. See, denominator, that is the sum of the product of trips attracted, should be multiplied by the corresponding travel time factor. Okay, corresponding travel time factor. Okay, I think I can rub this. Okay. Next, trips between T 2 to 3. Okay, the trips produced in zone 2 we know that is 33, and attracted to zone 3 it is 14. 14 into friction factor 2 to 3 will get 5. Corresponding to 5 it is 39. Same, 33 into 50 plus 28 into 26 plus 14 into 39. 39. Please check it. As per the check model. See, for T 2 to 1 I got 18.62. For this 8.22, for this I got 6.16. 6.16. Okay. Next. Okay. Think You have copied on this. You can drop this now. Okay. Next, trips between T 3 to 1. Trips between 3 to 1. See the trips produced in zone 3, it is 28. Attracted to zone 1, it is 33 into friction factor. Okay, that we will get by using this OD matrix. 3 to 1, it is 2. Corresponding to 2, we have 52. 52 divided by attraction 33 into 52 plus 28 into 3 to 2, 7. Corresponding to 7, we have 20. 20 plus 14 into 3 to 3, we have 4. Corresponding to 4, we will get 41. See, check how much you will get. Similarly, between 3 to 2, okay, 28 into the trips attracted to zone 2, it is 28. The travel time factor will be 20 divided by 33 into 52 plus 28 into 20 plus 14 into 41. Similarly, trips between 3 to 3, it is 28 into attracted is 14 into 41. 3 to 3, it is 4. Corresponding to 4, we have 41 divided by 33 into 52 plus 28 into 20 plus 14 into 41. Okay, we will get, see, for 3 to 1, we will get 16.86. 16.86. For 3 to 3, you will get 5.50. 3 to 3, you will get 5.64. 5.64. You will get 5.64. Next, you have to put the new OD matrix. Okay, now we again distribute madidi. What are the values we have distributed? That should be tabulated in a OD matrix. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Okay, between 1 to 1, T 1 to 1 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ? Say we got 1.82. Between 1 to 2, we got 9.74. 1 to 3, we got 2.44. Okay, T 2 to 1, we got 18.62. 18.62. Okay. Between T 2 to 2, it is 8.22. 8.22. Next, between 2 to 3, we got 6.16. Next, 3 to 1, it is 16.86. 16.86. 3 to 2, okay, we got 5.5. Next, 3 to 3, it is 5.64. 5.64. Okay, now totally how much you will get? Okay, so you will get 37.3, 23.46. If you add this column, you will get this value 14.24. Okay, last column total. This remains same. It will be 14, 33 and 28. Okay, if you add this, you will get 75. You can observe here, see the trips what you have distributed that are not tallying with the given predicted trips. Okay, it is not tallying. Okay, it is seen that. Okay, take down one sentence. Okay, before second iteration, you take down one sentence. You have to make the sentence by observing this value. Okay, see the given attraction. See the given attraction are 33, 28 and 14. See, it is not agreeing with the given attracted trips. So we have to do more number of iteration to get accuracy. We have to do next iteration. Okay, if you do more number of iteration, you will get accuracy. Okay, you will get these values. Okay, until that you have to continue this procedure. Okay, take down this sentence. It is seen that the total trip attraction do not equal to desired attraction, do not equal to desired or predicted attraction. You can observe it is not tallying with the given or desired predicted attraction. Instead of 33 we got 37.3, it is over projected. Okay, instead of 28 we got 23.46, it is under projected. So it is not tallying. So we have to go for further iteration. Okay, take down, full stop. Further iterations are therefore necessary. Further iterations are therefore necessary. Okay, full stop. The following formula can be used to adjust the attraction factor. Okay, to adjust the attraction factor. See, already we have used this formula. Okay, to adjust the attraction factor, to adjust this attraction factor, already we have used this formula. AJM is equal to AJ into AJ M2 1 divided by CJ M2 1. Okay, in our previous problem, the first problem in the gravity model, we have used this equation. Already we have used this equation where AJ, what is AJ? Okay, see, AJ is the AJM, that is the adjusted attraction factor, which we are going to find now, where AJ is the desired attraction, that is the given or predicted attraction, where AJ M21, that is the attraction factor of the iteration number. Okay, for first iteration, what is the attraction for first iteration? That should be entered here. This is the calculated attraction. See, this is the calculated attraction, that is set 37.3, that is the calculated attraction. Okay, for this, for AJ1, apply the value. It is 14. Sorry, not 14. It is 33 into, for first iteration we have taken this value only, so enter the same value 33 divided by, okay, calculated attraction factor, that is 37.3. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. Next, similarly AJ1, AJ2, sorry, ಅಥವಾ ಇದು A1 ಮಾಡಿ, this is A2. Okay, it is A2. Okay, 28 into 28 divided by 23.46. Next, A3 is equal to 14 into 14 divided by 14.24. Okay, check it how much you will get. We'll get 29.19, 33.41, 13.76. Okay, for next, to distribute the trips in the next iteration, these are the attraction. Okay, these are the trips attracted to be taken. By using these trips, you are going to, by using this trip attraction, we are going to distribute the trips. Okay, we are going to take these values. Okay, I will write these values here. I will write these values here. Okay, to solve the problem, I want this value, that 29.19, 33.41, 13.76. By using this adjustment formula, we are going to adjust this attractions. Okay, I think I can rub this. Okay, again you have to, this is the second iteration. Okay, T1 to 1. See, the trips produced in zone 1, that is, we know it is 14. The trips attracted, now we should take this value. Okay, the trips attracted to zone 1, it is 29.19. Okay, 1 to 1 friction factor, 1 to 1, it is 8. Corresponding to 8 we have, that is 13 divided by 29.19 into 13 plus, okay, here it is divided by the sum of the product of the trip attracted should be multiplied by the corresponding travel time factor, 29.19. Okay, next 33.41 multiplied by 1 to 2, 1 corresponding to 1 we have 82, 1 to 2 will get 1, for 1 it is 82 plus 1 to 3 it is 4 corresponding to 41. Okay, 13.76 into 41. Similarly 1 to 2, okay, trips produced is 14 and it is attracted to zone 2. We have to take this value, calculated attraction, 33.41 into travel time factor, that is 82. That is 82. We will get 3683.25. We will get 10.41. Here we will get 1.44. Similarly, 1 to 3, 14 into 13.76 into 41 divided by 3683.25 will get 2.144, 2.14. Next, T2 to 1, it is 33 into 29.19 into, okay, 2 to 1 it is 3, corresponding to 3 the friction factor is 50 divided by trip attracted 29.19 into 50 plus 33.41, 2 to 2 it is 6, corresponding to 6 it is 26 plus 13.76 into 2 to 3 it is 5, corresponding to 5 we have value 39. So you will get 16.81, 16.81. Okay, next T2 2, it is 33 into 33.41 into 26 divided by, okay, this value, this entire value, denominator value will become 2865. Okay, we will get 2865. Next, T 2 to 3, 33 into 13.76 into 39 divided by same this value 2865. Okay, you will get 10, you will get 6.18. Similarly, you have to calculate for 3 to 1, 3 to 2, 3 to 3. Similarly, we have to calculate for 3 to 1, 3 to 1, 3 to 1. See, it is 28. The trips attracted in zone 3, it is 28 into 29.19 into Okay, 3 to 1 it is 2. Corresponding to 2 we have 52. 52 divided by 29.19 into 52 plus 33.41 into 3 to 2 it is 7. Corresponding to 7 it is 20 plus 3 to 3 corresponding to 3 you have 13.76 into 3 to 3 ಏನಿದೆ 3 to 3 4 it is 41. Okay, you will get how much you will get 15.54. You will get 15.54. Okay, you will get 15.54. Similarly for T3 to 2, for 3 to 2 you will get 6.8. You have to calculate this. I am directly writing here. You have to calculate this. You will get 6.8. Similarly for T3 to 3 you will get 5.74. Okay, 5.74. Again you have to tabulate the new OD matrix. Okay, new OD matrix. Okay, again distribute ಮಾಡಿದೆ trips, so that should be entered here. You will get the new OD matrix. Okay, you will get new OD matrix. See the trips between 1 to 1 it is 1.44. It is 1.44. 1 to 2 it is 10.41. Next it is 2.14 between 1 to 3. Next 2 to 1 it is 16.81. T to 2 it is 10. Okay, 2 to 3 it is 6.18. Okay, lost. That is 3 to 1 we will get 15.54. You will get 15.54. Okay, 3 to 2 we will get 6.8. 6.80. T 3 to 3 we will get 5.74. 5.74. If you add this, if you do the total of this, okay, see the total of this will be, actual attraction. Okay, total attraction it is 33.70, 27.22, 14.08. See, it is seen that now the values are very near to desired attraction. You can compare here. Okay, in first iteration we got this value. Okay, in second iteration we got this value that are very near to this desired attraction. To get the more accuracy we have to go for further iteration. Okay, take down the sentence. Okay, write down one sentence. The process is continued with new values of AJ, till a satisfactory agreement is reached, between the desired and actual attraction figures, between the desired and actual attraction figures. Okay, before distributing, okay, we have to adjust this attraction. Okay, actual attraction we have to adjust it. We are by using the formula AJM is equal to AJ multiplied by AJ M2 2 divided by CJ M2 2. Okay, by using this formula we are going to adjust it. AJ into AJ, see this is iteration number M2 2 divided by CJ M2 2. Okay, for first AJ1 we will get this attraction factor, attraction. AJ1 will be, we know the desired attraction, where Aj is the desired attraction and Aj M2 2. Okay, in the first iteration, in the second iteration, we have taken this value that should be entered here, 29.19. Now, the obtained actual iteration should be entered now here. Okay, see, this is the desired iteration, and the second iteration we got this value. Okay, that should be entered here, divided by the actual attraction. Okay, divided by the actual attraction, 33.76. Okay, next. 28 into, in second iteration we got this value, 33.41. In this present iteration we got this value, 27.22. Okay, next A3 will get 14 into, okay, we got this 13.76 divided by 14.08. As per the check money. Okay, we'll get 28.58, 34.37, 13.68. Okay, by using these values, now we are going to distribute the trips. By using this new adjusted attraction, we are going to distribute the trips. The trip between T1 to 1. Trips between T1 to 1. The trip attracted in zone, we know that is 14. Okay, attraction 28.58. 1 to 1, we know 1 to 1 it is 8. Okay, for 1 to 1 the impedance unit is 8. For 8 we know the corresponding value is 13, divided by sum of the product of the trip attraction should be multiplied by the travel time factor. Okay, 28.58 into 13 plus 34.37. 1 to 1 it is 82 plus 13.68. 1 to 3 it is 4, corresponding to 4 we will get 41. Okay, similarly 1 to 2. Okay, 14 into 34.37 into 82 divided by, okay, divided by 375076 will get 10.51. This value will get 1.38. Similarly, 1 to 3 we get 14 into 13.68 into 41 divided by 3750.76. You will get 2.093. 2.093. Okay. See, I will write these values here. This is the second iteration value, 33.70, 27.22, 14.08. Okay. See, these are the values of next third iteration, 28.58. This simply I am writing for our reference, 34.37. 13.68. See, this I have written for our reference. Okay, next T 2 to 1. T 2 to 1. Okay, the trips produced in zone 2, that is 33 and attracted to zone 2. Okay, 2 to 1 it is attracted to. We have to take this value, 28.58 into 2 to 1 it is 3, corresponding to 3 we have 50 divided by 28.58 into 50 plus 34.37. 34.37. 2 to 2, 6, corresponding to 6 we have 26 plus 2 to 3, corresponding to that we have 5, for that we have 39. 13.68 into 39. Okay, we will get 16.51. 16.51. Next, T 2 to 2. Okay, 33 into 34.37 into 26 divided by, we'll get 2856.14. We'll get 10.32. Similarly, T 2 to 3. 33 into 13.68 into 39 divided by 2856.14. We'll get 6.16. Similarly, 3 to 1. Okay, 3 to 1. 28 into 28.58 into 3 to 1, it is 2. Corresponding to 2, we have 52 divided by 28.58 into 52 plus 34.37. 3 to 2, it is 7. Corresponding to 7, we have 20 plus 13.68 into 3 to 3, we have 4. Corresponding to 4, it is 41. Okay, we will get 3 to 1, we will get 15.21. 15.21. 3 to 2. 28 into 34.37 into 20 divided by 2734.44. We'll get 3 to 1, 3 to 2, you will get 7.03. 7.03. Similarly, T 3 to 2. T 3 to 3. 28 into 13.68. 13.68 into 3 to 3. 3 to 3, 4, 4, corresponding to that it is 41 divided by 2734.4. We'll get 5.74. Again, you have to put the new OD matrix. You get. Okay. Now, what are the trips distributed? Okay, that should be tabulated in OD matrix. The trips between 1 to 1. Between 1 to 1, we got 1.38. Between 1 to 1, 1.38. 1 to 2, we got 10.51. 1 to 3, we got 2.09. Okay. 2 to 1, we got 16.51. 2 to 2, we got 10.32. 2 to 3, we got 6.16. Okay. 3 to 1, we got 15.221. 3 to 2, you got 7.03. 3 to 3, it is 5.74. Okay, add this column, you will get, okay, it will be 33.1, 27.86, 13.99. Now compare this calculated attraction with the desired attraction. See, these are the desired attraction. Okay, in the fourth iteration we got this value. When compared with this, it is tallying, means it is very near to the desired attraction. Okay, it is very near to the desired attraction. Okay, instead of 33 we got 33.1. okay, 28, here we got 27.86. it is very near to 28. Instead of 14 we got 13.99. okay, further, okay, if you go for further iteration you will get the more accuracy, you will get the same value. Okay, if you want more accuracy we have to go for the further iteration until the attraction, okay, the attraction is equal to the calculated attraction is equal to the desired attraction. We have to do the more number of iteration, we have to carry more number of iteration. In exam you have to do minimum 2 iteration. Okay, in exam you have to do minimum 2 iteration. Now I have done till 4 iteration. Okay, further, okay, to get more accuracy you have to carry one more number of iteration. Okay, you have to carry that. Okay, this completes this problem. Okay, thank you.